Hi, I'm Sam Zwiefelhofer. I'll be a senior at the University of Minnesota this coming fall, where I'm majoring in fisheries, wildlife, and conservation biology. This summer, I work at the Minnesota Zoo, where my official title is paraprofessional student worker, which just means I function as a zookeeper's aide for the bird department. My day-to-day responsibilities primarily revolve around prepping the diets of the birds in our collection and supporting the primary keepers with projects as they arise. More specifically, I do a lot of food prep for the frugivores and omnivores by chopping produce and weighing out mealworms or other supplements. I also prep the diets for the raptors, which currently include an eagle and 3 great horned owls. When I'm not in the tropics kitchen prepping diets, I feed the African penguins twice a day. They get about 8 kilograms of fish throughout the day, and during the feed, I call out their numbers to a volunteer recording their consumption. I also assist with the cleaning of holding areas, conducting population census for the aviary birds, and accompanying animals to vet exams. I chose this internship because I worked for the Minnesota Zoo's conservation department last summer and fall, and I was excited to have another opportunity to work with all the cool animals the zoo manages. One of my technical learning goals for the summer was to be able to visually identify all the birds in the Minnesota Zoo's collection by species and sometimes by individual. To achieve this, I created an ID key for the aviary, and my boss printed out several copies for guests to use while on tours. I believe I achieved this goal because I can now ID all of our species, of which there are more than 50. This experience has affirmed my love for working with animals and my interest in maintaining my connections with the people with whom I work at the zoo. However, I have also come to realize that my long-term career goals may be better met in a conservation or research role rather than in direct animal care.